We're in the downtown French Quarter of Louisiana, New Orleans. Just gonna scope out some place to watch some live jazz maybe. Head to Bourbon Street that way. We'll have some gumbo.
Hi guys, we're at the gumbo shop and I don't know what gumbo is, but I'm gonna find out.
A bit of Louisiana cuisine. We have featured boudin, which is rice and what else was it? Rice and sausage. Gumbo. And
Alligator sausage. Oh yeah. Hi guys, I'm eating Louisiana Gators and it is good. It doesn't taste like anything. No, it doesn't. That's the wrong word. It doesn't not taste like anything. There's nothing to compare it that it tastes like.
What's it called again?
It's
the
Louisiana Gator sausage.
That's an alligator?
Yeah. I wonder is where it comes from, the sausage. Like what part of the body.
I just tried alligator sausage, and it's unlike anything else I've ever tasted. I would describe it kind of like really tender steak flavor, but also chicken. I don't know, it's very unique, but it's really good.
We're going into Cafe du Mont, and we're gonna have a French-style donut, which I have no clue what it's gonna taste like, but I hope it tastes good.
They're called Beignets. Let's go do it.
Do this!
Before it gets crazy. It's already getting crazy. What's going on in there? Lucky Pierce.
Bourbon Street people.
Yeah.